Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 1 language arts. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select language arts from the subject tab and scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to do a review session. We're working on the nouns last week. So today we're going to continue the same lesson. So we are done with all the lessons on the A plus students from language arts. So if you need help with any of the lesson, just write down the lesson name in the chat box. I will cover the lesson for which you need help. So today we're going to start with the plural noun. Let's just start with the plural nouns. So here I'm on grade 1 math, grade 1 language arts. Chapter we're going to start with plural nouns. So let's just start with the plural nouns. Okay, let's just start with the first lesson. Regular plurals. Select the word that match the picture. So which word match the picture? Basically, how do we make the plural nouns and what are the plural nouns? Let me just explain. A noun names a person, animal, place, or thing. That is the definition of the noun. What is the noun? Noun names a person, animal, place, or thing. You can add s or es to most nouns to show that there is more than one person, animal, place, or thing. So if you have more than one person, place, or thing, you have to add either s or just es to show that they are more than one. Like apple and apples, you just added s to apple. Got it? Then you have bus and buses, you added es to make plural. Got it? For some noun that end in y, you can drop the y and add ies to show more than one. Like baby. So you can babies, you need to add, you drop y and you add ies. So that's how you make the plural nouns. Got it? Let's just start with the practice question. When you're going to learn for which one you have to add, for which one you just have to add es and the one you with ies. So which word match the picture? You have car or cars, so which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? Cars, they are more than one. So you have to add S. It is cars. Which word match the picture? Bag, bags. The correct option is bags. They are more than one. So whenever you have more than one, they are the plurals. So it would be bags. Okay, the next one is toys or toy, which is the correct option. You have just one. So it is toy, not toys. It is the single, just one. So it is singular, not plural. It is just a toy. Okay, which word match the picture? Trucks or truck? We have two. We have more than one. So it would be trucks. They are more than one. So they are trucks. Which word match the picture? Pen or pans? We have just one. So this is a pen. You don't need to add s. Which word match the picture? Shoe or shoes? Which is the correct option? There are more than one. Shoes. The correct option is shoes. Which word match the picture? Pig or pigs? Which is the correct option? Pigs. They are more than one. So you have to add s. So they are pigs. Okay. Which word match the picture? Fans or fan? Which is the correct option? Fan it is. Just one. So it is a fan. Which word match the picture? Hat or hats? Which is the correct option? Hats. They are more than one. So they are hats. Which word match the picture? Pen or pens? Which is the correct option? Pen. We have just single one. So it would be a pen. Which word match the picture? Bees or bee? Which is the correct option? Bees. They are more than one. Which word match the picture? Balls or ball? Ball. We have just one. So this is the ball. Which is the correct option? Can or cans? A can. We have a single one. So it would be a can, not cans. Which word match the picture? Tree or trees? Which is the option? Trees. They are more than one. Which word match the picture? Basket or baskets? We have just one. So it would be a basket. Which word match the picture? Turtle or turtles? They are more than one, so they are turtles, plural. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Form regular plurals with S or ES. So we're going to make the plurals with S or ES. So let's just start with the practice questions. Doll plus S. So doll plus S make dolls. You just have to add S with the spelling. So it would be DOLLS, dolls. Hen and S. So it makes hens. HENS, hens. You just have to add S with the spelling. Hand plus S. It is hands. The last option is the correct one. Name and S. It would be names, NAMES, names. Option number one is the correct option. Dog plus S. Yes, dogs, that DOGS, that is second option is the correct one. Nest plus S. It would be nests, NESTS. The correct option is nests, NESTS. The second option is the correct option. Car plus S. It would be cars. Option number one is the correct option. Tail plus S. So it makes tails, TAILS. Option number three is the correct option. Shoe plus S. It would be shoes, SHOES, shoes. Game plus S. Games, GAMES. Option number one is the correct option. Bird plus S. Birds, option number 3 is the correct option. Back plus S. Backs, BACKS, backs. The last option is the correct one. Lamb plus S. LAMB S. Lambs, option number 3 is the correct option. Barn, BARN, barn. So it would be barns, option number 2 is the correct option. BARNS, barns. 4 plus S. Fours, FOURS. Last option is the correct one. Aunt, AUNT, aunt plus S. Aunts, AUNTS. The first option number 1 is the correct option. Coat, COAT, coat plus S. Coats, option number. The last one is the correct one. COATS. Duck, 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 and S. So it would be ducks. It would be ducks. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 plus S. Ones, ONES. Option number. The last one is the correct option. Bed, BED plus S. Beds, BEDS. The second one is the correct one. Okay, we are done with the test. Let's just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next one is use regular and plural nouns. So let's just start with the next one. Okay, we're going to learn what are the regular and what are the singular and plural nouns. A noun names a person, animal, place, or thing. The word that comes before a noun will sometimes tell if there is one or more than one. So this is because related to the sentences. When you are working on these sentences, we have a word right before the noun that tells the noun is singular or plural. Word like this, that, one, a, and an are sometimes used before one person, animal, place, or thing, like an apple, one bus, that baby. So these words mostly these words tells you that the noun is singular. Words like these, those, two, many are sometimes used before more than one person, place, or thing, like two apples. See, two and apples, that means more than one apple. Many buses, BUSES. So ES also tell you a plural, and many also tell them from many you can say more than one. Those babies, baby, more than one baby. Got it? So let's just start with the practice questions. Liz told me to make a. Now you can see the word a. A is used for the singular. So you have to select the word that is singular. So Liz told me to make a wish. Got it? A wish. That means that right after the the word would be singular. So it would be a wish. Don't take this dash away yet. So this is used with singular things, with just one thing. So it would be don't take this glass away yet. Not glasses, it would be just a glass. I won that dash for my drawing. This, that, and they are used with a singular noun. So it would be that prize, the singular noun. It would be that prize. I won that prize for my drawing. So it would be the singular one. I a dash helped the animal. A vet. A is used with singular, so it would be a vet helped the animal. Squirrels sometimes hide in these dash. It would be these. These is used with plurals, so it would be bushes. These bushes. It would be plural. Pam bought four. So four, that four means more than one. So it would be four rings. The next one would be plural, so it would be four rings. Okay, the next one is one dash won't open. One means the singular thing. So it would be one window won't open, not one windows. One is used with the singular, so it would be one window won't open. You can take that dash to work. That is used with you can take that. Is used with singular, that bus to work. That dash is very pretty. That is used with only one thing, so it would be that dress is very pretty. That keep these words in your mind, this, that, and they are used with a singular thing, so it would be that dress is very pretty. Scott will wash these dash. These is always used for more than one thing, so it would be these dishes. The last option, the second one is the correct one. Please hold these dash for me. Again, these is used with plural, so it would be these balloons for me. Please hold these balloons for me. Nina's dress has two dash pocket or pockets. Two, that means more than one, so it would be pockets. These dash are too tall for us. These these is always used for more than one thing, so it would be these bikes are too tall for us. They are bikes. These bikes are too tall for us. Watch out for those dash. These and those, they both are used with plurals, so it would be those bats. That dash went to a school trip with me. That is used with singular, so it would be that teacher went to school. Grandma put the cookies on a dash. Grandma put the cookies on a is used with singular thing, so it would be a dish. Please take this dash to grandma. This lunch, it would be singular. Dave made three dash at his birthday party. Three, they are more than one, so it would be three wishes at his birthday party. A dash ran after, so which is the correct option? It would be a fox, the singular one it is. It would be a fox ran after the birds. I saw four dash in the tall grass. Tall grass, four, so it would be plural, so it would be four foxes. Okay, you can complete that yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next one. Okay, irregular plurals, select the word that match the picture. So until now, we are working on the irregular plurals. Now we're going to learn what are the regular plurals. So here it is. A noun names a person, animal, place, or thing. You can add s or es to most nouns that show that there is more than one person, animal, place, or thing. Like until now we added s or es with the nouns to make them plural. Now some nouns change their spellings to show more than one animal, place, or thing. Now most the spelling got changed. Like these nouns do not follow a rule. You have to remember what spelling to use to show more than one. Got it? So you just have to, they don't have any proper rule. Whenever you need to make them, you have to remember their spellings. Like man and men, men, men. So same is for here you have mouse. The singular one is mouse, more than one mice. Let's just start with the practice question. Okay, you can see the one. It would be person or people. It would be person. People is used for always for more than one. People is plural, person is singular. Okay, is it woman or woman? Which is the correct option? It is just the one, so it would be woman. WOMAN. If more than one, it would be woman. WOMEN. Okay, tooth or teeth, which is the correct option? They are teeth. Just one is tooth, and the plural is teeth. Goose or geese, which is the correct option? The singular one is goose. The plurals are geese. It would be geese. With children, which is the correct option? Children, they are more than one, so they are children. The one is child and more than one is children. So see, all these spelling is changed. Got it? So you need to learn these spellings, learn these types of the plurals. So it would be foot or feet, the correct option. One is foot, more than one is a feet. It would be feet. Okay, which is the correct option? Mouse or mice? Which is the correct option? It would be mouse. The singular one is mouse and more than one is a mice. Which would match the picture? Person, people. People. When they are more than one, they are people. Just one is a person and it would be people. Which would match the picture? Is it child or children? It is the child, just the singular one, so it would be child. Is it tooth or teeth? It is the tooth, just one singular one is the tooth. The plurals more than one are the teeth. Which word match the picture? Goose or geese? The singular one is goose. The plurals are geese. Which word match the picture? Foot or feet? Yes, the singular one is feet. The plurals are foot. Okay. Which word match the picture? Is it mouse or mice? Which is the correct option? It would be mice. They are more than one, so they are the mice. Which word match the picture? Woman or women? Which is the correct option? The second option is the correct one. Women, they are more than one. Man or men? Which is the correct option? The singular one is man. If they are more than one, it would be men. Which word match the picture? Man or men? Which is the correct option? It would be men. They are more than one, so they are men. Which is the correct option? Mice or mouse? Yes, they are more than one. They are the mice. Okay, we are done. That's all for today. We are working on grade 1 language arts. That is a review session. So we're working on the chapter plural nouns. So if you have any question related to the lesson, you can ask. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Any questions, please ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.